good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Tubinda with another video. And in this video segment, we are going to answer 2019 paper 1 internal. Alright, in this year it was question 6, which says prove the identity, where we have 1 plus secant theta in one bracket, 1 minus cos theta is equivalent to sin theta times tan theta, carrying 4 marks. So what can we do here? Choosing the right hand side would be pretty difficult for us, because we would need to prove that the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So for the identities that we know, we need to choose the left hand side. Okay, so I'll do it like that. Then I'll say left hand side, underline the word left hand side is equal to 1 plus sec theta in one bracket, then the other bracket it's 1 minus cos theta. As we know, sec, okay, the sec is the inverse of cos. Seen from the third letter here, it means that it's the inverse of cosine theta. So when you write that down, it will become is equal to 1 plus 1 over cos theta, like that, then 1 minus cosine theta. Then what we're going to do, we're going to expand. We're going to multiply the two brackets. This one will be multiplied by that one. Again, it will go and multiply cos theta, the same for 1 over cos theta. Okay, so the same for 1 over cos theta. Here it will go and multiply the 1 there, and then again it will go and multiply the cos theta there. So we're going to do that. So to continue, we'll say is equal to 1 times 1 will be 1, then 1 multiplied by negative cos theta be negative cos theta, like that. Then 1 over cos theta multiplied by 1 will be 1 over cos theta, and then we have 1 over cos theta multiplied by negative cos theta. The cos thetas are going to cancel out, you're going to be with the negative 1, like that. Then after reaching here, as you can see, the positive 1 will cancel out to the negative 1 to give us 0. So we remain with 1 over cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, so we'll say is equal to 1 over cos theta minus cos theta. Lowest common denominator, first of all, let's say over 1, which means divide by 1. Then the lowest common denominator of cos theta and 1 will be cos theta. So both 1 and cos theta can go into cos theta. So write cos theta there. And then to continue, it will be cos theta into cos theta. It will give you 1. And then 1 times 1 will be a 1. 1 into cos theta is going to give you a what? A cos theta. Cos theta multiplied by negative cos theta is going to be negative cos theta squared. That's how we write. We agreed upon that. So if you write it on this page, it's going to be is equal to 1 minus cos theta squared divided by cos theta. Now, if you go back to the right hand side of the equation, they said they want you to prove that it's equivalent to sin theta times tan theta. Okay, so what am I going to do? Have you seen the numerator? The numerator is looking very, very familiar, right? Yes, because it is what? It's an identity. Sin theta squared is equal to 1 minus cos theta squared. So we replace the top with sine theta squared. What will it become? So we'll say is equal to sine theta squared, like that. You divide by cos theta. Then sine theta squared is the same as what? Sine theta times sine theta. So we'll say is equal to sine theta, okay, times sine theta. Then you divide by what? Cos theta. So it's the same as sine theta times sine theta, you divide by cos theta. Then we're going to break this down, okay? So what do I mean we're going to break this down? You know sine theta over cos theta is tan theta, and then we're going to remain with a sine theta here. So that would be our m. To continue, we're going to say is equal to sine theta times sine theta, you divide by cos theta. So I haven't changed anything. If you were to multiply this, if you say divide by 1, you multiply the numerators and denominators, we are going to have what we had there. I've just written it in a different way, right? So let me write it again. Is equal to sine theta, okay, times sine theta over cosine theta. Then sine theta times cos theta, cos sine theta divided by cos theta is going to give you tangent theta, so it's going to be is equal to sine theta tan theta, like that. Then how do you conclude? You say therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proven. Okay, so that would be it for this particular question. This marks the end of this video. Remember to follow. Maybe you can even share this to anyone to whom it may benefit. This has been Cornelius Subinda with another video, and bye bye.